Question number 8. Why do I sometimes feel guided and sometimes not? Answer. Desire is the root cause of suffering. When you keep thinking very intensely about something you love, attachment comes. Attachment leads to desire. From desire, anger. From anger comes delusion. From delusion, loss of memory. From loss of memory, the destruction of discrimination. From destruction of discrimination, one perishes. Everyone is born with an intuition. It sits in their heart. Before the soul is born on earth, it has agreed on a certain script that will allow the soul to learn its key lessons. The journey of the soul on earth is not a straight line. A soul may choose to learn the lessons of power, money, fame, that is Rajas energy, in the first 20 years. Then the next 20 years, the soul may choose to learn the lessons of love, forgiveness, humility, that is Sattva energy. Then the next 3 years, the lessons of depression and lethargy, that is Tamas energy. And the last few years, it may choose to come back to Sattva energy. The script that soul has chosen is downloaded in the soul's heart. The soul is made aware of key destinations that will come in that soul's journey. The key people it will meet in the journey. When those key people come in their life, they have a feeling of deja vu, as if this event has happened in the past. They will feel that they know this person and some exchange has to happen between them. They will feel it because they remember at some deep level the script they have chosen. If a soul has chosen to pursue power, money, and fame, that is to learn the lessons of Rajas energy, it may choose a father or a mother who has very high Rajas, who will make that soul very focused towards success. The child is programmed since childhood to be successful and famous. Since the programming of this child is such, it will run after pursuit of power, money, and fame. And after running on this pursuit for 30 years, if the soul has a script that will transcend the Rajas energy and go towards Sattva energy, it will hear a message in their heart from their guides that it is time to stop this journey and go to another journey. As time progresses, most people are not able to hear their inner voice. Most people's hearts are closed. The violence and the anger on earth has broken their heart. So they keep pursuing the older path that they have learned since childhood. That is the path of Rajas energy. The desire has become so strong to stay secure that they forget that the second part of the journey of the soul was to learn another energy, that is the Sattva energy. This energy of oneness, love, forgiveness, and compassion. So when a soul is not able to hear the guidance, it starts to suffer because it is doing something that is not allowed in the soul script. The suffering may come in the body as a disease, either physical disease or mental disease like depression, etc. The disease is the way for the Lord to make the soul stop and reflect if it is going in the right direction. Many souls in their suffering moments recognize that they have to redirect their life and have to go to another journey. Thereafter, they will find a key influencer that will teach them how to redirect their journey. Some souls will continue on this new journey, but most souls will find this new path difficult and they fall back into the old patterns and the disease or suffering reoccurs. All souls have been given an internal GPS in their heart where they can listen to the guidance of their higher guides. But because Earth is a difficult journey and there are a lot of other frequencies that cancel the signal, many souls are not able to hear the guidance clearly and they lose their way on Earth and they suffer. The only way to stay on the path is to make a practice every day. For a few moments, sit in silence and reflect and ask yourself, am I on the right path? Am I happy pursuing this path? If the answer keeps coming no for days and months, then one has to go to someone and seek guidance and ask them to look at their soul script in a detached way and show them the blind spots that they are unable to see. Every soul is given a free will and it has a choice whether to listen to their heart or whether to listen to their mind.